Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can solve your Wi-Fi connected but no internet access problem on your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. So there are some particular reasons for it to happen. So let's say simply we will just swipe down. You can see our Wi-Fi is connected. So sometimes you can see you do have that particular Wi-Fi is connected, and then suddenly it shows no internet access. You're trying to use any of your social media platforms or your browser or any games or something, it's just showing you that kind of notification. Then one thing you can do is you can simply turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again and try to connect, right? The other would be simply switching to the other Wi-Fi connection available that you have. Once you have done so, you can see it will be okay, right? And the third, the main kind sometimes can be main is like whether you have forgot to pay for it, whether the payment is due. That's why the connection from the office itself has been disconnected or they have cut it out. So you have to make sure of that, the payment, and sometimes the lagging of the internet it could be the reason. So make sure to switch it to another Wi-Fi, another address that you have available, or simply turning it off and on and checking the payments as well, and checking the router connection as well in your home or office to see if it's connected well. Those are the reasons for you, and hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in our next video.